Morning students, class 8, your factorization chapter is going on. First video factorization, that was a easy chapter, easy topic. That means you have only taken common and then factorized the algebraic expression. Factorization means, already I told you, an expression can be written as the multiples of various factors. That means various factors multiplied together, it can be written like that. Now today this kind of sum is there where the expression is in the form of square of two numbers. If the algebraic expression is the form of square of two numbers, then it can be written in the factorization form. In what way? That I am going to discuss with you. So in exercise 7b these sums are there. Actually you are going to use the formula, that is a square minus b square. What is the answer? Answer is a plus b and a minus b. So these are the two factors of this algebraic expression. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So these are the two factors. So let us start question number 3. 81 minus 49x square. I have to convert it in the form of a square minus b square. So 81 means 9 square minus 49 means 7 square, 7x whole square. So first convert it in the form of algebraic expression as a difference of two square numbers. Now according to the formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So answer is 9 plus 7x into 9 minus 7x. This is the answer. These are the two factors. Now the second one, that means question number 5. I have taken sum of the question and I am solving it for you. Other sums you can do by yourself by going through the video again and again. 16a square means it can be written in the form of 4a square, and 225 means it is the square of what? 225 means it is the square of 15. These things you have to know properly. Then you have to do the sum. 15 square you are going to get as 225. So your answer is 2a plus 15b and 4a plus 15b and 4a minus 15b. This way you are going to get the answer. Next is 20a square minus 45b square. So 20 and 45, in this I can find that something is common. I can take something common. 20 is a multiple of 5, 45 is also a multiple of 5. So I can take 5 as common. If I take 5 as common, so what I am getting here? I am getting 4a square minus 9b square. Again this can be written in this form, that is 5 into 4a means 2a whole square minus 9b means 3b whole square. In this form I can write. Now 5 is common, so 5 will remain as it is, and in this place this is a square minus b square form. So 2a plus 3b and again 2a minus 3b. This is the way I can find the answer. Okay. Now question number 11. X cube minus 64x. So from this I can take x square as common. X as common. If I take x as common, so what is left behind? From here x square and from here only 64. Now 64, it is the square of what? Which number will give you the answer as 64? Square. 8 8s are 64. So x, then x square minus 8 square. This can be written in the form as a plus b and a minus b. So answer is x into x plus 8 into x minus 8. because this one is a square minus b square in that form. This is very easy chapter, everyone can do. This one is 3x to the power 5 minus 48x to the power cube. So first of all I will take common as 3, then x cube. So 3x cube I have taken common. So what is left behind here? X square, and here 3 into 16 equal to 48. 3 into 16 is 48. So 16 is left here. As I have taken here x cube common, so here no x is left. Now 16 can be written as 4 square. So I can write x square minus 4 square. So this can again be written as a plus b, a minus b. So 3x cube will remain as it is, and this one is x plus 4 and x minus 4. So the factors are 3x cube, x plus 4, x minus 4, because 16 can be written in the form of 4 square. Now come to question number 15. 63a square b square minus 7. So here I can take 7 as common, because 63 is a multiple of 7. So I have taken 7 as common. 7 into 9 is 63. 7 9 is a 63. So 9a square b square minus 1. Here 7 I have taken common. So nothing is there. So 1. Now 9a square b square can be written as 3ab whole square. 7 will be as it is 3ab whole square, and this one can be written as 1 square, because 1 means 1 into 1 like that. So I am getting the answer, I am writing here, okay, because there is no place, so I am writing here. 7 into 3ab plus 1 and 3ab minus 1. 3ab plus 1 and 3ab minus 1. My ultimate answer is 7 into 3ab plus 1 and 3ab minus 1. After this, you are getting this. Now question number 17. In question number 17, this whole can be considered as a square, and this has to be written in the form of b square. 16c can be written as 4c square. So you are getting 2a plus 3b whole square minus 4c whole square. So this one is a and this one is b. A square minus b square. So what you are getting? A plus b, a minus b. A is this whole. 2a plus 3b. This is the whole a plus b. B means 4c, and again here a minus b. So you are getting 2a plus 3b minus 4c. These are the two factors. The factors are 2a plus 3b plus 4c, 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Got it? Now question number 20. 36c square minus 5a plus b whole square. 36c square can be written as 6c whole square. I can write it as 6c whole square minus same whatever is written here, 5a plus b whole square. Now this is a and this is b. So a square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. So here I will take the bracket like this, a plus b and a minus b. That is 6c minus 5a plus b. Why I have taken two brackets? Because here as there is negative sign, so if I open the bracket, the sign will change. So for showing that sign change, I am giving two kind of bracket. So ultimately my answer is 6a plus 5a plus b. This is is one factor and another, sorry, it is C, not A. I am writing wrong. Do the correction. It is C because here it was C, so this is also C. And this is 6C minus 5A and minus B, because this sign is there. If I open the bracket, so I will get it as minus. So this is all about up to 20. Some more example I am showing you. So just wait, I am showing some more example. Now I am going to do question number 22. So this is the way the sum is written. I have to change it in the form of difference of 2 square. How to change? I can find this one, that this can be written in the form of 1 square using identities, algebraic identities. So how can I write it? X square I am writing as it is. Now minus sign I am taking common, and here I can write it as y square plus 2y plus 1. So this can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b. So this can be written as y plus 1 whole square. So this equal to x square minus y plus 1 whole square. Now I am getting two terms which are in the form of difference of 2 squares. So now again I will use the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. So the answer is x plus y plus 1. This is a plus b. A minus b means x. Minus sign is before this, that means minus y and minus 1. So x minus y minus 1. This is the answer. The factors are x plus y plus 1 and x minus y minus 1. Now this one. Again the same way this has to be written. This one is square 5a whole square, and this number can be written in the form of a whole square using identity. So I can write it as 5a whole square. Now if I take minus sign common here, so what will be left here? Here I will left behind 4b can be written as 2b whole square plus leave it, first do this one. As I have taken minus sign common here, so this one will be negative sign and this one will be positive sign. This can be written as 7c whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 2 into 2b into 7c. You just multiply. This is 7c. I am writing again. If you multiply, you will get 28b into bc. That is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 7, 28. 28b into c. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. Can you find? This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So I am getting 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. So this is a and this is b. Let me rub this one because I need more space. So I will write it again. So what I am getting here, a plus b, a minus b. A plus b and a minus b. 5a minus 2b minus 7c. Now if I want to open the bracket, my answer is 5a plus 2b minus 7c, and this one is 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Y plus minus into minus is plus. If I open the bracket, then this is the answer. So answer I got 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Factors, two factors I got. Here same way, 100 means 10 whole square minus as it is x minus 5 whole square. So this is a and this is b. A square minus b square. That means a plus b and a minus b. So what I am going to get? 10 plus x minus 5, again 10 minus x minus 5. Now open the bracket, 10 plus x minus 5, and this one is 10 minus x plus 5, because minus minus is plus. Okay. Another sum, last sum I am going to do. I rubbed it, that is question number 26. Let me write the question. 7.8 whole square minus 2.2 whole square. So any number can be written in this form. I have to find out the answer without actually doing the square. So I will use the formula that a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So 7.8 plus 2.2 and 7.8 minus 2.2. 7.8 plus 2.2 is 10. Very easy to multiply. And if you subtract, you are going to get 6 and then 5. 5.6. If you multiply, what will be the answer? The point will come this side. So answer is 56. So what the answer? So in this way you can solve the questions. This is also very easy exercise. It will not take much of your time. Just you have to write down the algebraic expression in the form of two squares and then use the identity a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. I have solved almost half of the questions. Other half is for you. You will do by yourself. So if you have any problem in understanding, pause the video, make it